Good morning, my dear friends. Before class, we have discussed about the definite integral and some problems, exercise problems we are completing. Now, today topic you discussed about the some properties of the definite integral. We have discussed about the some properties of the definite integrals. Those properties are very important. Okay, my dear friends. Please listen carefully. First properties, by using these properties we will do the problems. Okay, my dear friends, don't confuse, don't neglect. Okay, now this is second, 8th, 2020. Okay, my dear friends, now some properties of the definite. What are the properties is going on? For suppose integral a to b f of x dx, first property, that is equal to integral a to b f of t dt. Means, what is the meaning of this one? Integral a to b f of t dt. What is the changing? Where x variable will be changes into the t variable. What is the meaning of that one? Means, definite integral do not depends on the definite integral do not depends on the independent variables. Integration is the independent of the change of the variable. Here integration is the independent of the change of the variables. Here x t dt is there, no problem. How to will get this one? For suppose x is equal to, what happened? Now dx is equal to dt. Simple. Let x is equal to, what happened? Now take LHS, integral a to b f of x dx. Now x is equal to t means 100% x is equal to a means t is equal to a, x is equal to b means t is equal to b. Okay, my dear students, that is equal to integral of a to b f of t dt. That means integration is independent of the change of the variable. Okay, now therefore that is integration is independent, not dependent. Okay, independent of change of variable. Whenever the limits will be changes, 100% value must be changed, but only variable changes, no change in that value. That is the meaning of that one. Okay, now this is the first property. X or y, you will write anyone, don't change the limits, upper and lower limit don't change, but we will change the variable, no problem in that one. Okay, my dear students, now next we are going to second one. For suppose integral a to b f of x dx, my dear students, that is equal, whenever we interchange the upper and lower limits, must and should sign will be changes. This is, for suppose here lower limit is a, upper limit is b. For suppose we will change b to a, 100% we write the minus f of x dx. How? Okay, observe that. Now this one, integral a to b f of x dx. Okay, my dear students, what is the integral of f? For suppose capital F of x. Limits, you will apply the limits a to b. Upper limit is f of b minus lower limit is f of a. Now taken common minus, what happened this one? F of a minus f of b. Okay, my dear students, how to write? Minus f of a minus means here first value must and should upper, lower. Okay, this is, that's why what I am telling you, whenever we change the upper and lower limits, must and should, the 100% the value will be changes. Okay, my dear students. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. Yes, the value will be changes. Means, for suppose this is 20, whenever you interchange the upper and lower limits must and should, that is equal to minus 20. That's all. Next 30th. For suppose what happened? Upper and lower limits must, for suppose equal. What happened? Integral a to a f of x dx. What is the answer? Observe that upper and lower limit f of b minus f of b, that equal, answer is must and should 0. Whenever the upper and lower limits equal, that is equal, answer must be equal to 0. integral of a to a f of x dx is equal to must and should 0. Now f is a continuous function. For suppose continuous already I explained. For suppose next f is continuous on a comma, and this means what is the meaning of this one? F is continuous on a comma means in between a comma b and including a comma b must and should f is continuous. For suppose we will take any value, let c belongs to closed interval a comma b. What is the meaning of that one? For suppose this is the interval a b, we will take the value c. What happened this one? For suppose integral a to b f of x dx is equal to, now we will find the definite integral from a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx, right, as this one. How to write this one? 100%. First of all, any value in between, we will take any value in between the interval. Therefore a to c f of x dx integral we will find, c to b f of x dx will find. It is right or wrong? What happened is integral of a capital F of course upper limit means f of c minus f of a. Here what happened? F of b minus f of c. Observe this one, what is the remaining? Plus minus f of b minus f of a. I hope that you understood or not? Yes. This one. That's why we will write the integral any value, we will take any value in between this one 100%. This is equal to in this way. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood the problems. Okay, next we are going to the, okay my dear students, we are going to the next property. What is the next property? For suppose property 5. P5 means property 5, whatever may be. Integral a to b, this is fifth one, a to b f of x dx, all are a to b, no problem. Okay, that equal to no change in the integrals a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. How to write this one? A plus b, a upper limit, lower limit plus minus x, a plus b minus x. For suppose 2 to 3 f of x dx. How to write? For suppose here 2 to 3 f of x dx by using this formula. How to write this one? That is equal to f of 2 plus 3 5 minus x dx in the same upper and lower limit 2 to 3. In this way we will write. Okay my dear students, how to prove this one? For suppose in the examination point of f of x is continuous on a comma b, then show that integral a to b f of a to b f of x dx is equal integral f of a plus b minus x from a to b. For suppose now we have to take this one, a plus b minus x is equal to what happened? Let this one a plus b minus x is equal to t. For suppose from this one what happened? X value means must and should a plus b, this value is equal to, from this one minus t is equal to x. Okay my dear students, now differentiate. What happened? 0 0 minus dt is equal to dx. From this one dx is equal to minus dt. Now take the, whenever you will take this one 100% substitute the lower and upper limits. What is the lower limit? Here t is equal, this is the value of okay, x value a. For suppose x value a means you have to write x value a, b minus a cancel, must and should t value is equal to b. For suppose x value is equal to b, that implies t value is equal to a. Now LHS is equal, what is the LHS of the problem? Integral of a to b f of x dx, that equal to integral of a means here x is equal to a means b to a f of x, x means a plus b minus t. What is the meaning of dx? Means minus dt. Now here minus is there means we change the means upper and lower limits means we again get the minus means 100% plus, that is b to a means a to b, we will get the minus, already minus is there, minus into minus plus f of a plus b minus t dt, that equal to already first property. What is the first property? I explained. Therefore the variable in a integration, the variable is the independent of the variable. Okay, therefore in the integration is the independent of the change of the variable, there is no change in the variable. That's why integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, this is integral a to b f of x dx. Okay my dear students, this is very important formula. You must and should remember, my dear students. Property 5 is over. Next we are going to the property 6. Property 6, sixth one. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of x, means before what happened, 0 plus a, means these two are adding, subtracting by x. Here these two are adding a minus x. 100%. 0 to a, upper limit minus a, 0 lower limit a minus x, instead of x we write a minus x. This is the formula. Okay, don't confuse, my dear friends. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Now how to prove this one? This is one of the important formulae. What is the formula is going on here? This one, property. Okay, my dear students. Now this is also one of important property. You remember, each and every one are important. Now here let a minus x is equal to, here a minus x is equal to t this side, a minus t is equal to x. What happened? 0 minus dt is equal to dx. Now dx is equal to minus t. Now here lower limit is equal to, what is the x value? X value is 0. X value 0 means t value is equal to a. X value a means t value is equal to 0. Now what happened? LHS, we will take the LHS, that equal integral 0 to a. 0 to a means a to 0, f of x. X means a minus t, dx means minus dt. Now interchange the lower and upper limit, we get the minus. Already had minus there, minus into minus plus 0 to a f of a minus t dt. Now the integration is the independent of the change of the variable. Okay, by property 1. By 1, integration is the change of the independent variable, independent of the change of the variable, no change. Okay, not dependent on the variable, that is a minus x d. Instead of x we write t. Again, for suppose you take the t is equal to x, dx is equal to t, no change at all. Okay, this is the formula, integral 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. This is another property, very important properties, my dear students. Okay, next we are going to the next property. Next, my dear students, we are going to the property 7. What is the property 7 is going on? That is 7th property. Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. 0 to 2a, not that one, 0 to 2a. Okay, what happened this one? This is 0 to a f of x dx plus a to 2a. Observe that, a to 2a f of 2a, sorry, 0 to a, this is also 0 to a, sorry, 0 to a f of x dx, 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. That is, what is the meaning of that one? That equal to 0 to a f of x plus f of 2a minus x dx. This is the actual formula. Okay, my dear students. Now here 2a minus x is there. Now what I am taking, suppose I will take the LHS, my dear students. What is the LHS? 0 to 2a f of x dx. That is, means f of x is continuous in 0 comma 2a. Means I will take what I am taking. This is, suppose 0, this is 2a. In between I will take a. How to write this one? 0 to a integral a to 2a. Okay, I will write here in this one 0 to a f of x dx plus here a to 2a f of x dx. Okay, my dear students. Now I will calculate this part only. For suppose this is, I will take I, where I is equal, what is I? I is equal integral 0 to 2a f of x, only a to 2a, not 0, a to 2a f of x dx, my dear students. You remember the formula? 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a, this is also 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx, my dear students. Now I will take only the second part, a to 2a f of x dx. Here 2a, let 2a minus x is equal to t, my dear students. Now 2a minus t is equal to x. Now minus dt is equal to dx. Now dt, okay, minus dt is equal to dx, no problem. Yes, here. Now here upper limit, per suppose lower limit. Lower limit, what is this? X value a. Whenever x value a, t value is equal to 2a minus a means t value a. Upper limit. What is the upper limit? X is equal to 2a. 100% t is equal to 0. Now substitute these values in this one, my dear student. No, not all, only in this one. a to 0 f of x. X means 2a minus t. dx means minus dt. Now we will change the limits. Whenever we change the limit, 100% we get the negative sign. Already negative is there, means 0 to a f of 2a minus t into dt. Integration is the independent of the change of the variable. Independent of the change of the variable means not depends on the variable. That's why I am telling you integral 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. Now what happens? Substitute in this one. Therefore LHS means, that is integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to integral 0. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next property. First we have discussed about the 0 to next we are going to next property, that is property number 8. Okay, I hope that you all must should understood the properties. Okay, my dear students, property 8 is integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to, this value is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx, when if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x is equal to 0, if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Before we completed the problem, actually we know very well before how to do this one. Observe that here we know that before theorem, before property, from property 7, from P7 means property 7, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. What is the formula? 0 to a f of x dx plus again 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. Okay, my dear students, you know this property or not? I hope that you know. Now here given, for suppose let this value f of 2a minus x is equal, for suppose f of x, means this value is equal to f of x. So what happened? 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, understood or not? Now this one same, 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. I hope that you understood. That's why 0 to 2a f of x dx, when if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, one of the property. For suppose here condition is given f of 2a minus x. What happened? Let f of 2a minus x is equal to how much? Minus f of x. Substitute, for suppose this equation 1. What happened? The answer is equal. Must should observe that this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. What happened? 0. Answer is 0. Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will do the problems. Okay, now what is the problem? This is integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 into integral of 0 to a f of x dx. Whenever it is happened, if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. Now answer is 0 if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x, my dear students. This is the property 8. Next we are going to the property. Okay, my dear students, this is the last property. Okay, property 9. First, before property 9, we learn two definitions. We will learn the two definitions. One is the even function. Even function. What is even function? Next one is odd function. What is odd function? Okay, my dear students, you know before classes we learn already. I hope that you learned before classes. What is the meaning of the even function? For suppose if f of minus x means the function, for suppose one function is given, instead of x we write the minus x. Again we will get the function, same function f of x. If f of minus x is equal to f of x, then f of x is called even function. What are the examples? For suppose f of x is equal to x square. What happened? Instead of x you write immediately, instead of x you write minus x, that equal to minus x whole square, that equal to x square. Even function. This is equal again f of x. It is an even function. Okay, my dear students. For suppose f of x is equal to x power 4. Suppose f of x is equal to cos x. What happened? F of minus x is equal to cos of minus x. Cos of minus theta means cos x. For suppose e power x. Neither even nor exponential functions never estimate the even or odd functions. Okay, trigonometric and algebraic functions must and should we define the even or odd. What is the meaning of odd function? In the same way, what the odd function means? F of minus x is equal minus f of x. Clearly observe that here in front of minus. Then f of x is called odd function. Now here let f of x is equal x. Now observe that f of minus x is equal minus x, that equal to minus f of x. For suppose f of x is equal to sin x, tan x, whatever may be. Now f of minus x is equal to sin of minus x, that equal to minus sin x, that equal to minus f of x. In this way, these are called the even and odd functions. Okay, my dear students. Now, what is the properties going on? For suppose, what is the properties going on, my dear students? For suppose, what is the properties going on? For suppose, if property 9, integral of minus a to a f of x dx, 100% you remember through the definite integration, whenever we see the minus a to a, minus 92 plus 90 plus 90, minus 1 to 1, minus 2 to 2, immediately we will check the given function here. Here f of x is even or odd. For suppose this function is odd function, what is the answer is going on? That's why I am telling you that is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. This is 2 into 0 to a. Why this is 2 into 0? When f of x is, if f of x is even function, whenever it is even function, 100% the answer is 2 into 0 to a. The answer is equal to 0 whenever the answer if f of x is odd function. For suppose big values given in the examination point. For suppose out of what type of, okay, first proof of that whenever the limits minus a to a, just we think the, for suppose integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin x dx. In this way asking sin x dx. Here sin x, whenever the upper and lower limits are minus a to a type, 100% we discuss about the this is function is odd or even. Sin x 100% is the odd function. Whenever the odd function, the answer must and should is equal to 0, my dear students. In that one, no doubt at all. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to how to prove this one. Here the f of x is continuous in the interval minus a comma a. Here, for suppose this is minus a, here plus any one value. For suppose in between we will take the 0. What happened? How to write this one? Integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to, now minus a to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to a f of x dx. Here in this one no change at all, 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, now 100% you will change this one. For suppose this is I, therefore let I is equal, here I, this value, only this value, minus a to 0 f of x dx. This problem is whenever even or odd functions, means f of minus x. Let here what about minus x is equal t. Let minus x is equal t. Okay, x is equal to minus t, whatever may be. Dx is equal to minus dt. Okay, my dear students. What is the going on limits? Therefore, integral of x value minus a means t value a. This is 0. F of x means, what about this? Minus x means minus t, means dx means minus dt. Okay, my dear students. Whenever it is minus is there, interchange the limits 100%. This is minus, this is my plus, means 0 to a f of minus t dt. Now here 0 to a f of minus x dx. Okay, my dear students. 0 to a f of minus x dx. Now substitute these values in this one. Now I am writing here, okay, I am writing here, okay. Now minus a to a f of x dx is equal, what the formula is going, minus a to 0 f of x means 0 to a f of minus x dx plus 0 to a f of x dx. Now here taken common. For suppose here f of x is even. F of x is even function. What is the definition of even function? Means f of minus x also f of x. For suppose f of x even. Even means f of x is even. Means f of minus x is equal f of x. Means this value is f of x. This one is same. That equal answer 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. For suppose f of x is odd. Odd means what is the formula? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Okay, f of minus x is equal, this is negative, this is positive. What happened? The answer is 0. That's why what happened? That is equal to, therefore integral of minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If even, f of x is even, that equal 0 if f of x is odd. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. Even and odd function. What is the meaning of the even function? What is the meaning of the odd function? Okay, these are very, very important properties. You remember each and every property. Okay. Okay, my dear students, before I explain the 9 properties, please read those 9 properties very carefully. Otherwise, we cannot do the problems. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to the exercise. What is the exercise going on? Next exercise. Now we will do the problems on the modulus of a function. How to do the problems in a mod x? For suppose integral of minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1 is there. For suppose, just I am explaining 1 or 2 problems. After that I will go to the exercise. For suppose in the examination point, for suppose minus 1 to 1 mod x dx. For suppose find, evaluate. This is question number 1. We will take the example or whatever maybe. Minus 1 to 1 mod x dx. Here first the function is mod x. You know the definition of the mod x. Mod x is equal to x if x positive, greater than or equal to 0, or whenever x is equal to 0 means 0. Minus x purely x less than 0, 100%. For suppose here x minus 1 is there. X minus 1 only positive value, that equal f x minus 1 greater than 0 means x greater than or equal to 1. X minus 1 minus of x minus 1 if x less than 0. Okay, my dear students. Now in this way, now mod x means this is y. Y is equal to x. For suppose observe that in this way. This is y is equal to x. X exactly 0. This is y is equal to x. Now 100% this is y is equal to minus x. Now here what they are asking, minus 1 to here 1. Here this side is 100% negative. Left side must should always will take the negative. Right side always will take the positive. Here minus 1 to 0 already, minus 1 to 0 already. X less than 0 means less than 0, always negative. Next, x greater than or equal to 0 or positive. Here 100% positive. Okay, my dear student. That's why now integral of minus 1 to 1 mod x dx is equal, split into the 2 intervals, minus 1 to 0 mod x dx plus 0 to 1 mod x dx. I hope that you understood or not. Have any doubt? I think I have no doubt. Here now where is the critical point? First we will find x is equal to 0. Yes, whenever it is 0 means x is equal to 0. From 0 to right side, 0 to left side. For suppose x is equal to 1 is there. For suppose after x is equal to 1, below x is equal to, what happened? Okay, here clearly observe that minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 means 100% this is left side, means modulus of x always negative. Minus 1 to 0, we will take minus x dx plus 0 to 1 means this is positive side, means modulus x is x dx. Here integral of x means minus in front is there, x square by 2. limits minus 1 to 0, plus integral of x means x square by 2, limits 0 to 1, that is equal to minus of upper limit is 0, 0 by 2 0, minus lower limit x value minus 1 whole square 1 by 2, okay, plus upper limit is 1 by 2 minus lower limit is 0, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1, that is minus 1 to 1 mod x dx is equal 100% 1. This is the answer, my dear student. In this way we will do the problems. Okay, next we are going to the second problem. Okay, next problem. For suppose evaluate or find integral 0 to 1 modulus of 5x minus 3 dx. For suppose this is I is given, modulus of 5x minus 3. Here what is the critical point? Means this value is equal to 0 and 1. That value 100% in this interval only, no doubt at all. Okay, 100% we will take the values those in the interval lies belongs to 0 to 1. First we will take, for suppose here in this one, the mod x graph always in this shape. Okay, for suppose here 0, here 1 is there. Now here 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. For suppose what happened, 5x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 5, 3 by 5 means 0 0.6, 100% here 3 by 5. Now here left side must and should negative, right side must and should positive, means x value 0 less than x less than 3 by 5, you will take any value, this value must and should negative. Okay, how to write this one? Modulus of 5x minus 3 is equal to two cases. Okay, one is, for suppose 0 less than x less than 3 by 5, 0 to 3 by 5, 100% this is negative, minus of 5x minus 3. Okay, next 3 pi by 2 1, 3 pi by 5, okay, x greater than 3 pi by 5. Okay, okay, no problem. Here 100%, here 100%, this is negative, this is positive, x less than 3 by 5, here x less than 3 by 5 means up to 0 only you will take. Next 3 by 5 is less than x less than 1. In our category actually 100% this is 5x minus 3 positive. Okay, you will take in this way, or another way we will take. How to take this one? By definition, mod x is positive if x means this one, this is greater than or equal to 0, negative means minus if less than or less than 0. Okay, we will take, no problem. Now integration, how to find the integration, my dear students? Now I is equal to what happened, this is equal to 0 to 1 means 0 to 3 by 5, what happened this one, minus 5x minus 3 dx, plus 3 by 5 to 1, 3 positive, must and should positive, that is 5x minus 3 dx. Okay, my dear students, what is the graph is going on here? Same in the way, for suppose this is y axis we will take, this is x axis, so, okay, whatever maybe, this is y, at point this is 3 by 5, here in this way, here this side is negative, this side is positive. Okay, my dear students, now that is equal to minus integration of 5 into x square by 2. Okay, my dear students, 5 into x square by 2 minus 3x, what are the limits? 0 to 3 by 5, plus 5x square by 2 minus 3x, what are the limits? 3 by 5 to 1. Calculation is going on. What is the upper limit is minus, upper limit is 3 by 5. Okay, here pi by 2 into 3 by 5 whole square, 3 by 5 whole square means 9 by 25, minus 3 into 3 by 5 means 9 by 5. Okay, my dear, lower limit 100% 0, 0 into 0 square minus 0, this is 0, 5 into 1, 5 by 2 minus 3, this is upper limit, minus lower limit is 3 by 5. Okay, 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 3 square means 9 by 25 minus 9 by 5. Okay, some, okay, my dear students. Okay, now we will do carefully. Okay, here this minus value only for first integration only, here minus of 5 1s are 5 5s are, what happened this one, 9 by 10 minus 9 by 5 plus this is 100%. 5 by 2 means minus 1 by 2 minus of this value 9 by 10 minus 9 by 5. This one both are same, my dear students. Next, what happened this one? 10 is the LCM, minus of 10 is the LCM, 9 minus 18, okay, plus minus 1 by 2 minus this is also 10 LCM, 9 minus 18, okay, 5 2s are 18. What happened this one? Minus into minus plus 9 minus 18 means minus 9, 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2 plus 9 by 10, okay, my dear students, 9 by 10, okay. Now 18 by 10 minus 1 by 2, 9 plus 9, 18 by 10 minus 2, that is equal to 10 is the LCM, 18 minus 5, that equal to 13 by 10 is the answer, my dear students. In this way we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Okay, observe carefully. Now evaluate I is equal to minus 5 to 5 x minus 2 dx. Simple, don't confuse at all. Okay, modulus of x minus 2 means at x is equal to, this is the critical, per suppose this is the critical point, that value must and should lies between this one, this is per suppose, observe that minus 5 in between 100% 2 is there, only one value means two parts, 100% this side compulsory means minus 5 to 2 means 100% negative, this side means 100% positive of this value. Modulus of x is either positive or negative some values, okay, my dear students. For suppose minus 5 to 2 you will take any value 0, you will substitute 0 minus 2, that is negative or positive. Modulus value, okay, positive, but what is the value of the modulus? In this one 100%, that one modulus of x minus 2 is less than 0 or greater than 0, okay. Modulus of means x minus 2 is greater than 0 means positive, x minus 2 less than 0 means negative, x minus 2 less than 0 means x less than 2 means this one negative, this one positive, okay. Now here take, observe that minus 5 to 2, observe that, okay, don't take the other values, minus 5 to 2, minus 5 to 2, what happened? 100% negative means minus of x minus 2 dx plus 2 to 5 100%, 2 to 5 100%, what happened, my dear students? 2 to 5 100% positive means x minus 2 dx, okay. Now here minus is there means 2 minus x, minus 5 to 2, 2 minus x dx plus 2 to 5 x minus 2 dx. Now integral, this is 2x minus x square by 2 dx, limits minus 5 to 2, here x square by 2 minus 2x, limits 2 to 5, upper limit is 2, carefully substitute, 2 2s are 4 minus 2 square, 4 by 2 means 2 minus lower limit, x value minus 5 minus 10 minus 25 by 2, okay, my dear students, plus 25 by 2 minus 10 minus 4 by 2 means 2 minus 4. Now 4 minus 2 means 2 minus, this is minus 20 minus 25, minus 45 by 2 means already minus is there, plus 45 by 2 plus 25 minus 20 means 5 by 2 minus 2 minus 4 means minus 2 means plus 2, overall 2 plus 2 4 plus 50 by 2, 4 plus 25, that equal 29. We will get the answer is 29. In this way we will do the problems. Next, per suppose we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? In this way, observe that, my dear students, I is equal, next problem, I is equal to integral of 0 to 2 modulus of x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Now here, okay, now here, for suppose here you will take the f of x is equal to this one, f of x is equal to x minus 2 before problem, which you substitute the values of x before and after. Okay, here also what is the f of x? Here observe that this is given 0 to 2 given. Now we will take the values in between 0 to 2 only. For suppose not 0 to 2, we omit that one. Okay, my dear student, 0 to 2 x square plus 2x minus 3. Now observe that x square plus 2x minus 3, this is f of x. For suppose what are the factors is going on? X square plus 3x minus x minus 3, possible? Yeah, x taken common, x plus 3, minus 1 taken common, x plus 3. Okay, my dear students, now x plus 3 taken common, x minus 1. What are the critical points? X is equal, actually this limit is given 0 to 2 only. For suppose this is 0, here 2 only, 0 to 2 only. Here x is equal to 1 is there, minus 3 is there, minus 3 comma 1. Okay, here minus 3 means this side, minus 3 means this side, 1 is this side. We cannot take this minus 3. Okay, my dear students, why? Because we compulsory will take the value in between only. Now here 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 0 to 1 we will take any one value. For suppose 0 to 1 means we will take the 1 by 2. What happened? 0 to 2 per 0 to 1, 0 to 1 we will take 1 by 2. What happened? This is 1, 0 to 1 any small value, 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4, 1 by 2 means 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 minus 3. Orally what happened? This is 4, 1 plus 4 minus 12 by 4 minus 7 by 4 means 100% this is negative, 100% this is positive. I hope that 1 to 2 means 3 by 2 will take, 3 by 2 will take 100% positive. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yeah, here minus 3, why you cannot take the minus means here in this limit minus 3 not including, that's why you cannot take. That's why 0 to 1 negative, 1 to 2 positive. This modulus remove means compulsory write the either positive or negative. That's why what I am telling you, I is equal to here 0 to 1. What about this modulus value? Negative, minus of x square plus 2x minus 3 dx plus 1 to 2 must and should positive. What is that? X square plus 2x minus 3 dx. And now the very carefully the calculation part, my dear students. Now we are going to the calculation part very carefully. That is equal to minus of x cube by 3 plus 2 into x square by 2, 2 to cancel, x square minus 3x plus here limits 0 to 1, here x cube by 3 plus 2 into x square by 2, 2 to cancel, x square minus 3x, here 1 to 2. Now upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0, 100%. Yes, upper limit is 1 means 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3, this is upper limit, minus lower limit 100%, here 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, plus here 2, 2 cube 8 by 3 plus 2 square 4, 6, upper limit minus lower limit 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3, my dear students. That is equal to plus 1 minus 3 means minus 2, minus of 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 8 by 3 minus 2 minus of 1 by 3 minus 2. Okay, my dear students. Okay, next continuation, my dear students. What is the going on? Minus 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 8 by 3 minus 2 minus of here 1 minus 6 minus 5 by, already minus is there, this is 5 by 3 plus this is 3 to the 6 means 8 minus 6 means 2 by 3, this is also plus 5 by 3, last one. LCM is 3, 5 plus 2 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12 by 3, 12 by 3 means the answer is equal to how much? 4. In this way we will complete the problems, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, next problem you will observe that the next problem, what the next problem is going on, what the next problem here, observe that integral 1 to 4 modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 plus modulus of x minus 3, my dear students. Here 1 to 4 modulus of x minus 1, here the continuous into 1 to 4 100%. Okay, the function is continuous 1 comma 4. Now we will take the values in between 1 to 4 only. Now here critical point. First, what are the critical points? Means this value 0, x value 1, this value 0, x value 1, this value 0, x value 3. First suppose we will take the real line. Actually first we will take the real line 1 to 4. Here no problem at all. This is minus infinity to plus infinity. Here 0 is there, here 1 is there, here 4 is there, no problem. Here remaining values is 1 to 4 is given, 1 is given, 2 is given, 3 is given. 1, 2, 3. Now 100% we will take 1 to 2, this total value positive or negative. Which one is positive, which one is negative, that's all. 2 to 3, substitute in this one. Whenever you substitute, you cannot take the modulus, just value. What is that? Whenever 1 to 2 substitute, f of x is equal to here x minus 1. 1 to 2 means 1.5. 1.5 minus 1, positive. This is negative, this is negative. 2 to 3 means 2.5. Positive, positive, negative. 3 to 4, all are positive. In this way, you observe that. Okay, my dear student. First, suppose now area is equal. Observe that. First 1 to 2. 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means we will take the in this one 1.5. 1.5 minus 1, okay, positive, x minus 1. Okay, my dear students, here negative, here negative, minus x minus 2 minus x minus 3 dx. Hope that you understood or not? Plus next to 2 to 3, my dear students. 2 to 3. 2 to 3 means we will take the 2.5. 2.5 minus 1. 2.5 minus 1 positive. 2.5 minus 2 positive. This is negative. These two are positive. This is negative. Means x minus 1 plus x minus 2, but we will take minus x minus 3 dx. Plus last one. Here 3 to 4. 3 to 4 means 3.5. Positive, positive, positive. All are positive. 3 to 4. X minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3 dx. Okay, my dear students. Now what happened here? 1 to 2 plus x minus x cancel. Here minus x. 1 to 2. 1 to 2 what happened? Minus x. Minus 1 minus plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 means plus 4 dx. Plus 2 to 3 what happened? Here x. Okay, my dear, only x. Remaining values minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 plus 3. These are also cancelled. Plus 3 to 4, 3x minus 6. Okay, dx. I hope that you understood or not. Okay, 100% you understood. Okay, that is equal to minus x square by 2 plus 4x. Limits 1 to 2 plus x square by 2. Limits 2 to 3. Plus 3 into x square by 2 minus 6x. Limits 3 to 4. What happened? You write the upper limit. X value 2 means minus 2 square, minus 4 by 2. Minus 2 plus 8 minus half. 1 means minus 1 by 2 plus 4. This is over. Plus this is upper limit x square. 3 square means 9 by 2 minus 4 by 2. Plus here upper limit 3 square, 4 square, 16 means 43, 4 square means 16 3s are 48. 48 by 2 means 24 minus 6 4s are 24. Cancel. Minus 3 square 9 3s are 27 by 2 minus 18. Okay, my dear friends. This is equal to what happened? What happened this one? That is equal to 6. Minus 2 plus 8 means 6. Minus here 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 1. Okay, 7. Here minus is there. Minus 7 by 2 plus 9 minus 4 means 5 by 2 plus this is 100% 0 minus 36. Minus 36 means already minus is there, plus 9 by 2. Now 6 minus LCM is 2, no problem, 1 minute, LCM is 2. 12 minus 7 plus 5 plus 9. Okay, 12 minus 7 means 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 19 by 2. Now I is equal to what happened, my dear students? 19 by 2. This is perfect answer, my dear students. In this way, we will do the problems. Okay my dear students, this is most important question. This is example 30, page number 343 in NCERT book. Same way, before I explained that way we will do. Here we don't remember the modulus, just the process. F of x is equal to x cube minus x. Modulus, whenever you remove the modulus, you will take the positive or negative sign in front of. Okay. F of x is equal to x cube minus x. Now x taken comma x square minus 1, x into x plus 1 into x minus 1, my dear students. What are the values of x means? That implies x is equal to 0, minus 1, 1. These are the values, minus 1, 0, 1. Actually, you take the real line. Actually, minus infinity to plus infinity. Here, minus 1 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there. But in this interval also is there, minus 1 to 2. Here 2. Now in between, we observe the in between these values only. Means minus 1 to 0, what happened? 0 to 1, what this value x cube, you observe the x cube minus x value. X cube minus x value, what happened? Positive or negative? First of all, negative means you write the modulus, remove negative, right? Minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Okay my dear students, in this way we will do. Now I is equal to, what happened? Observe that first negative or positive. Minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0 means, for suppose I will take minus 1 by 2. For suppose I will take 0 to minus 1 means here I will take minus 1 by 2. What happened here? Minus 1 by 2 means this x cube means minus 1 by 8 plus minus 1 by 2 means plus 1 by 8. What happened? This is LCM is 8. LCM is 8. This is minus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 3 by 8, means 100% positive. Okay, positive. Okay my dear students. Next 0 to 1. 0 to 1 we will take the 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2. 8 is the LCM. 1 minus 4 means minus, negative. 1 to 2 means we will take 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means 3 by 2 we will take. 3 by 2, what happened? 27 by 8 minus 3 by 2. What happened? 8 is the LCM. 2 4 the 12. 27, that is positive. Okay, you will find only positive or negative. Means here minus 1 to 0, must and should you take the modulus positive. Minus 1 to 2, modulus value x cube minus x dx, plus 0 to 1, 100% here, negative. 0 to 1 you will take any value, substitute in this one. 0 to 1 minus x cube minus x dx, plus 1 to 2, 100% x cube minus x dx. Last value 100% positive. Already explaining this one. Here observe that minus is there, means x minus x cube. What happened? This one, x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2, limits minus 1 to 2. Okay my dear students, here minus is there, x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2, limits 0 to 1. X power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2, limits 1 to 2. Here upper limit is 100%, my dear students. Sorry, here minus, sorry, minus 1 to 0, my dear students. Why write the minus 1 to 0 here? Sorry, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Okay, here upper limit is 100%, 0, minus of, upper limit is 0. Okay, that's why minus of. Lower limit is minus 1, you will write. That is called minus 1 power 4 means 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Minus here 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 100% lower limit is 0. Okay. No, don't write the 0. Plus here upper limit means 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16 by 4 means 4 minus 4 by 2 means 2. Okay, over minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay my dear students. This is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 4. Already minus is there, means plus 1 by 4. This is also plus 1 by 4. Okay. One by 4 minus 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 4, means plus 1 by 4. 4 minus 2 means 2. This is also minus 1 by 4 means plus 1 by 4. That equal 3 by 4 plus 2. 15 by 4 2s are 8 plus 3, that equal 11 by 4. This is the answer for this problem. Okay my dear students, in this way we will do the problems. Next we are going to the problem. For suppose what happened, this is I is equal, integral of minus 5 to 5 modulus of x plus 2 dx. This is simple question. This before question is very important question, my dear students. Don't neglect, please do the problem. Here f of x is equal to x plus 2 you will take. Now here 100% what is given, minus 5 is given, plus 5 is given. Whenever it is 0 means minus 2. Now substitute this value and this value. Minus 2 means minus 3 you write. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 means negative. Here 100% this is positive. Now here minus 5 to minus 2. Minus 5 to minus 2. Here negative. Minus of x plus 2 dx plus minus 2 to 5. What happened? Minus 2 to 5 means we will take minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2. 100% positive. Means x plus 2 dx. Okay, my dear students. Now what happened this one? Minus integral of x plus 2 means x plus 2 whole square by 2. Limits minus 5 minus 2 plus x plus 2 whole square by 2. Limits minus 2 to 5. Upper limit we write the minus 2. X value minus 2 means 0. X value minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 means minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square means 9 by 2. Plus 5. 5 plus 2. 7 square. 7 square means 49 by 2 minus 0. X value minus 2 means minus 2 plus 2 0. This is minus minus plus 9 by 2 plus 49 by 2. 58 by 2. That equal 29. Okay, my dear students. Okay, my dear students. Next question, exercise problem, that is equal to modulus of x minus 5 over 2 comma 8. Close interval 2 comma 8. Here observe that 2 to 8 is there. First suppose you will take this is f of x is equal to, not modulus, you will take x minus 5. This is 2, this is 8, in between. Here whenever it is 0 means x is equal to 5. Observe that this value and this value. In between 2 to 5 will take 3 value. 3 minus 5. 4 minus 5. This is 100% negative. This is 5 to 8 means 6 we will take. More than means 5.1 also we will take, no problem. This is positive. Here now I is equal to 100% negative. Negative when 2 to 5 x minus 5. Already I write the negative here. Minus plus 5 to 8 100%. 5 to 8 100% it is x minus 5. Okay, now minus integral of x minus 5 means what happened this one? X minus 5 whole square by 2. By 2 you write 1 by 2 in print. Okay, limits 2 to 5. Here also x minus 5. X minus 5 whole square by 2. 1 by 2 into x minus 5 whole square. Limits 5 to 8. Now minus 1 by 2 into upper limit is 5. 5 minus 5 0 minus lower limit is 2. 2 minus 5. Minus 3 whole square means 9. Plus 1 by 2 into upper limit is 8. 8 minus 5 means 3. 3 square means 9 minus 0. Now 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2. That equal to what is the answer? 9 is the answer. Okay, my dear students. In this way we will complete the problems. Okay, tomorrow class I will explain the remaining problems of that 7.11. Please, today what we learn, okay, what we learned means today class what we learned, properties and some problems, more or less problems we were completed. Okay, please practice those problems. Thank you one and all.